Kevin opens in his mouth.
Cash open. Okay.
Good,
Sophie,
good guys.
Good boy. Good boy. Sophie, sit. Sit.
Lay down.
Lay down. Lay down.
I don't know if she knows it.
Sophie, lay down. Lay down. Good girl. Take Cash.
Lay down.
Lay down. Lay down.
He's better trained than the dog.
Good boy. Okay, now let's show Daddy. Ready? Sophie, sit. Sit. Open. Cash. Sit. Cash, sit. Open. Good boy.
What are you doing?